So one of the first things I noticed when I got there is actually how diverse the culture was, and the Spanish economy for Europe isn't doing very well. Um, but then compared to a lot of the money in South America, the euro is worth a lot more. And since people in, Mexico or in Peru or in Argentina or wherever all speak the same language, a lot of people would come to Spain and work, and since the euro was worth so much more, they could send money back to their country, and they will have made more money. But then the Spanish people who are just used to everything in Spain and the prices, a lot of them were having economic troubles, and so they were actually leaving the country as well. And so right now in Spain, there's kind of a giant mixing pot of all the Hispanic cultures, and even some of the countries from Eastern Europe. There was a lot of Romanians there as well. So I thought that was really interesting, how many different cultures there were. And so even though the Spanish culture really dominates everything else, as a missionary, you'll find that some of the most accepting people are honestly the South Americans. The Spanish people are really warm, and they're maybe a little bit harder to crack than anyone else just because of how traditional they are. But you'll find yourself with people from every country under the sun in Spain, and you can just expect a small cultural shock every house you go into, with different kinds of food and drinks and customs and ways of talking. And I also thought that was really cool because we didn't only learn Spanish from Spain. We got a little bit of the slang and different words from a lot of different countries. So I thought that was a really interesting experience.